write (9x squared plus 24xy plus 16y squared as a square of expression in brackets. Solution. Now we have 9x squared plus 24xy plus 16y squared. So in this case, we can write these as 3 squared, then x squared, plus, what do we have? Bringing out 2. 2 divided by, that is 24 divided by 2, what will you have? That's 12. So we have 12. 12 into xy. And this one we can write this as a perfect square. So we have 4 square y square. Now, you can see that we are having 3 and 4 as a base here. 3 square and this is 4 square. So in this case, it means the middle term must also involve 3 and 4 also. So we can write this as 3x square plus, now what do we have here? We can break 12 as what? 3 and 4. 3 times 4, that's 12. Then we have xy plus, combining this is 4y squared. Now, since we are having 3x now and we have 4y, then we can write the middle term in such a way that it reflects 3x and also 4y. We have 3x squared plus 2 into what? Since we have here, we take this one together with this, 3x. Also, we have 4. So we can take 4 with y, since we have 4y. Then plus 4y squared. So you should know that, recall from the identity, if you have a squared plus 2 into a into b plus b squared, it will give you what? A plus b raised to the power of 2. So we can see from here that our a is like 3x and our b is like what? 4y. You can see a represents 3x, b represents 4y. So it means that what? Having our final answer in this form is going to be 3x plus 4y, then we have square. So we have expressed 9x squared plus 24xy plus 16y squared as a square of expression inside bracket. And the expression inside bracket is a binomial expression, which is 3x plus 4y. So that is the solution to the problem. Thank you.